Welcome to SOS Electronic. Today we will discover Quectel QLM29H GNSS L1 L5 antenna module for real-time precision positioning. Quectel has combined its latest GNSS innovations into a single compact module that delivers centimeter-level accuracy thanks to support for both L1 and L5 frequency bands. The QLM29H is a go-to choice for use in smart cities, autonomous vehicles, drones, surveying equipment, and any application requiring fast and reliable positioning, even in challenging environments. This module is readily available and ready to tackle the toughest localization challenges in your next project. This multi-GNSS module is built to keep up with the growing demands of modern positioning applications. It was designed to accelerate product development and shorten time to market, but the top priority was to deliver an accessible, feature-rich solution with dual frequency support, 1 meter accuracy in autonomous mode, and centimeter-level precision in the real-time kinematic, otherwise known as RTK, positioning-capable variant. Thanks to built-in dead reckoning, it maintains solid positioning performance even in areas with limited signal reception or GNSS unavailability. The module offers multi-constellation support, simultaneous dual-band reception, integrated design, high sensitivity, low power consumption, standard interface and communication protocols, all in compact size. The module is best suited for the following applications: ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, in-vehicle navigation, fleet management and tracking, unmanned aerial vehicles, otherwise known as UAVs, surveying and mapping devices, smart city and infrastructure monitoring. Technical specifications of the module can be found on our website. We have added the Quectel QLM29H GNSS antenna module to our range, and it's in stock, ready to tackle the challenges of your next project. We are also gradually expanding our selection of Quectel GNSS modules and can arrange custom orders with favorable terms directly from the manufacturer. If you are interested in more information about Quectel products, or if you need technical advice, get in touch at soselectronic.com and we'll be happy to help you.